EEG, documenting the rise of unity consciousness. The human brain is a dynamic organ of many brainwave frequencies. These frequencies are of different speeds and dimensions. The raw EEG of an individual can be used by a computer to be broken down into component frequencies listed on the right-hand side. We're going to examine 3 of them, which are of special importance. These 3 frequency bands are very important in cognitive experience. Alpha, beta, and gamma for the observer, process of observation, and the observed. Alpha, beta, and gamma. The components of experience are I, see, the rows. The human brain utilizes very fast activity of gamma coherence, to construct each object. On the other hand, it utilizes alpha coherence to support the observer, and beta coherence to link the observer with the observed or object. So these 3 components are subserved very importantly by alpha, beta, and gamma activity, in particular coherence. What we're going to see in the next bit of this time is these 3 EEG computer displays, coherent displays. Alpha for observer, beta for the process of observation, and gamma for the observed. These 3 panels will be repeated a number of times to illustrate the evolution of conscious experience. Here, for example, are 3 white lines now. You notice that each line goes up and down from high to low for alpha, for beta, and for gamma. This happens to be a non-meditator EEG coherent plot over 30 seconds, and you can see that the coherence of alpha, beta, and gamma fluctuate around 20, 30, 40% from minimum to maximum. What we're going to do now is show you an individual practicing over 7 years Marshi's technology supporting the rise of unity consciousness. Here are our 3 panels again, this time the baseline of an individual who's been practicing TM for a while. The top panel is alpha coherence, and you can see the levels of alpha coherence are on near maximum. See the arrow? And that even beta and gamma coherence are pretty high. The individual is brought back 85 months later and examined, and you notice that all 3 frequencies, alpha, beta, and gamma coherences, are near maximum. This is a 30-second stretch. This indicates a high level of brain integration supporting a very refined level of conscious experience. Here's that same individual. We're showing a video clip over 30 seconds. Notice that alpha, the observer, beta, the process of observation, and gamma, the observed, are all very, very high. This is quite remarkable and indicative of a very high level of brain integration supporting a very refined level of conscious experience. This is due to the fact this individual is practicing these technologies which support the evolution of conscious experience. So we've been happy to show you coherent brain patterns supporting the evolution of conscious experience.